my beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Winds Tarot, and this is your most requested love and work forecast for October for Cancers. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Cancer, this reading is for you. If you know a Cancer, you can cross watch it for them, friends. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Join us on Instagram as Magic Winds Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website, friends, and you can also watch the October pick a card readings. I have already done them, and the Hindi Urdu versions of the horoscope readings have already been done quite a way back. You can see that also, friends, and you can buy your own personal readings at the website. So this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So let us see, Cancers, what is coming for you for the month. What is the theme of the month of October for our beautiful Cancers? And yes, oh my god, the Knight of Wands and the Knight of Swords. So very interesting. This month you are going to have a lot of, mental and mental as well as emotional satisfaction. A lot of this is a busy month for you. I feel like you will have a lot of excitement coming your way, choices coming your way. Also, you will have breakthroughs coming your way, friends. Cancer, some sort of a breakthrough, some news, some opportunities are going to come your way. Communications are extremely important for you, friends, because a lot of planets will be going direct this month in October, so that will really help shift your life and bring you news, messages, money, opportunities you are waiting for, Cancers. And yes, I see a lot of excitement coming. You will feel very energized, very excited with this month. Let us see what else. Oh my god, the Knight of Cups, it's your own energy, Cancers. Also, I feel like this is your month where body, mind, and soul balance is very, very necessary, friends. Because I do feel this month will affect you at different levels. For some of you, it will affect you like something related to communications is important. For some of you, your love life will be highly activated. For others of you, you will feel very passionate about your future, your dreams, your goals, your ambitions. So I feel it will affect all of you in different ways, but at the same time, you will be very, very protective of your dreams, friends. You want to achieve, you want success, you want love, and you are very, very sure and cutthroat about your success and about achieving your goals. And I do feel like it's not a Cancer energy. You guys are, you guys don't fight. You guys are very sweet, you guys are very loving. Also, you're very tenacious, but this month you will actually fight for your dreams. You're gonna stand up for what you believe in, and it will surprise a lot of people. I do see some of you will be cutting away some people or some troubles away from your life, some toxic people from your life, and some new people. You will be moving towards some new opportunities and some new people coming your way. A Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or an Aries, Leo, Sag person. So this month is, wow, this is your month of power. This is your month of you going after your dreams and you becoming a warrior, a ninja. You are a super ninja, friends. And my god, anybody who comes in your way, Cancers, god bless them. You are mighty. So let's see your love life, Cancers. Let's see that. Oh wow, see, Two of Cups and the Two of Pentacles and the Ten of Cups, the Temperance, the World, the King of Pentacles, the Seven of Pentacles, the Star. Okay. Oh wow, the Three of Swords, the Queen of Wands. All right, wow, Karma, that's interesting. The King of Cups, the Five of Swords, and the King of Swords and the Fool. I do see you're dealing with a lot of people, friends, in the month of October. Yes, Cancers, and some of you could be dealing with, you could be having choices in your love life this month. Also, you could be dealing with a third party situation, like you are married or your partner is with married or they are with somebody else, or it could be fam. There's a lot of dust again today, friends. Weather is absolutely crazy. You can never expect good weather nowadays. It's like some days are good and then it changes, and then again it goes good, and then again it goes bad. I don't know what's really happening. Even though I'm a psychic, but seriously, friends, it's very hard to predict. I mean, the only way you can predict the weather right now is like, it's crazy. All right, so cancers. The first week of October is very interesting. You're very, very busy, friends. Especially at your work, you're very busy. And also, I feel like you are trying to balance your work and your career with your love life. It is a tough thing for you in the first week to balance your work and with your family or your love life. I feel some of you are in a relationship, but you are a little confused about that relationship. You want to stay or leave. Some of you are definitely, you're trying to balance or make a relationship work in the first week of October. I do feel, friends, some of you, if you are single, you are ready, you might be getting a chance of meeting a new lover in the first week through family, through arranged marriage proposals or some date, or through some family friends or some wedding dates or, wedding or some event. You might meet somebody new if you are really single. If you're not single, definitely, friends, your love life will be going very stable, very sweet, but you will have to really balance it with your work and career. You really have no time. Your focus is on work, cancers, in the first week, and you will have to work and balance your love life. So let us see the second week. The second week of October is a long distance relationship is very, very important to you. Some of you might feel your partner is very distant at this point of time, or you may feel like, things need to change in this relationship to make it work. You and your person will try to make this relationship work, but it is like in the second week of October, you may feel like, just like the weather, you will feel that way. Like, some days this relationship is perfect, some days it is just impossible a relationship. So, you will feel a mixed feeling about your relationship. Also, your focus will be much more on money, on career, on, what will people say, how will this appear, does my person value me, do they love me. And a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important. So the second week of October, you're really, you might want to change your relationship or change the way the things are in your love life, but you know you are like, what will people say, how will things look. You will also be like, your partner may also be more egoistic in this week, like they are more focused on money, on outside influences rather than on love. But I feel it will still be an okay week because you both will try to still balance each other out. So let us see the third week of October. Alert, alert, alert. This is going to be a tough week for cancers because past life issues will be coming back in your relationships, cancers. Yes, some past issues will come back again. Also, if your person was hiding something, it will come to light. If there was a third party, things will again, things will be activated. You might know about it. Also, there is some sort of a past healing that is happening in the third week. You may feel a little let down or hurt by your partner. Also, try to be patient with your person and with your lover or your married partner, husband or wife, because it will be a tough week, friends. It will test your patience, it will test your love life. But also, some of you could be dealing with your twin flame who is in relationship with a karmic. Some of you are dealing with a person who is already married, or you are married. Your person is married, their family is becoming a third party. So something is happening, but please try to remain patient and try to see things in a positive way. And Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person is very important to you in the third week. Another thing I'm feeling is that in the third week, you will get a lot of messages through dreams, through signs, through telepathy. So keep that in mind. Listen to your intuition and to the signs you are getting. So let us see the final week of October for cancers. Yeah, I do feel communications will finally open up again for you in the final week and things will be coming back. Your partner will be leaving the ego and power struggles behind and opening to love. You will still feel like you will be in doubts about this person still, like, you will still be like, I need some time because things have been getting too personal or too intense in this relationship. So you'll still be like, taking slowly this relationship, but there is a chance of a new start, a new breakthrough coming in your love life. And yes, communications will be very, very much very intense, very high. Actually, you'll be communicating a lot with your partner in the final week. So yes, let us see some advice for you, Cancers. What is the advice for our beautiful Cancers? Patience, okay. Recognition and reward. Yeah, I do feel your love life is getting, it is getting back on track, friends. You may be losing your patience with how things are going or with the situation, but or a partnership, but keep, try to stay patient, try to stay calm, because you are going to get recognition, you are going to receive awards, rewards, and a lot of love for this patience you have shown. Your love life is highly activated in the month of October, friends. So things will happen very, very quickly or will not happen at all. I also feel another challenge you will face, Cancer, is your heart will say one thing, your mind will say something, and your ego will be saying another three-dimensional thing. So you will have to decide which one you will listen to, your heart, your mind, your ego, or the mix of all three. So okay, it's a good month for you, Cancers, but a lot of choices, a lot of options, lots of doors opening for you. So you see, when you get choices, you can't say now I don't have choices, but the choices will be tough. So yeah, let's see your work, career, and education. Okay, rest and rejuvenate, firm foundation, harmony, and positive movement forward. So I feel when you start the month of October, you may be feeling like things are a little slow, things are stuck in your career, things are not moving forward, even if you're a student. Some of you may be feeling like you want to travel abroad for colleges, or you want to get a job abroad or study abroad, but it's not happening right now. So you may feel a bit like things are slow. But I think you should not be frustrated with that energy. Instead, try to enjoy this peaceful time, rest, relax. You know, think of. I do see that, this initial slowness or slow pause in your work, career, and studies is good, and you should enjoy it, because your work, career, and your future has very firm foundations. I do see that your work will be getting better, your financial security will be getting better this month. Some of you could be actually laying your roots, like buying a home, or reaching, like, you will be doing something very stable in your work, in your job, like getting a permanent job, and you feel like, okay, finally life is back on track. Some of you could also be moving to a college, like getting that 5-year degree. Like you started the first year of college, and you're like, next 5 years are set, we just have to focus on college. So you are like, okay, I'm done. So, yes, big things are going to happen, but the initial start of the month is slow. You will have a lot of support, friends, Cancers, in your work, your career, and studies. If you are a student, you will find a lot of support from your friends, your colleagues, your teachers. A lot of people will be happily guiding you, offering you advice also, and positive movement forward. Yes, October will be, the second half of October will be very quick and fast for you. Things will be developing very quickly then, rather than the first half. And I do see some of you could be changing, relocating, shifting to a new place, a new country, a new city, or a new college, or a new job. But you must keep your patience, friends, and you must rest also, because I feel you are very busy in work, you are very busy in your love life, you need some rest. So take that, and let's see your advice for our beautiful Cancers. Let's see. Mother, Father, God, okay, and do the work. So yes, the divine spirit, the divine universe is opening up for you. Something grand is happening, which you may not be able to see right now, but after October you will be very clear what this thing is. I see a miracle being manifested for you, Cancer. So wonderful. Do the work. Yes, friends, you are resolving the karmas, you are breaking free of karmic chains, your past life issues, and something beautiful is going to happen. Earth and ground, yes, you are very connected to the universal energies, Cancers. You may feel more emotional this month. You may also feel very much connected to the mother energy, to your mother, to your, your grandparents, also to earth, to the nature. So, I also see health. Your health will be healing, friends. So this month, take it easy if you have any health issues. The more you rest, the more happy and healthy you will become. Yes, let us see, Cancers. All right, let's see. Let's see. Club, someone will try to make you do something against your will. So, yeah, you may feel like, destiny is taking you in some other direction while you want to go in some other direction. But I think you will trust the destiny because your intuition is sharp. Crown, honor, and respect will come. Yes, a leadership role is coming your way. And a feather, someone you know is undependable and insincere. Yeah, I do feel, in love, you will find it difficult at time to trust your partner because the past life issues are active. Recognition and reward, yes, friends, you will be recognized, you will be blessed, and miracles are coming your way. And goldfish, in increase in material wealth or spiritual growth, so money is coming your way. A woman with dark hairs or someone with darker hairs is important with you, for you triumph over troubles and obstacles. Yes, friends, you will definitely rise above all the challenges. Wish will not be granted. I feel certain wishes, you will have other wishes, like one wish is not granted, but because why is it not granted? Because something else is coming for you, like your ego will tell you to go in north direction, but your destiny will take you in west, and that's where your treasure is. So listen to your heart. And light-hearted carefree time, you're gonna enjoy the month of October, friends. February is important, or someone born in February, you are very lucky in the month of October. Fire, strong passion, love, or passionate love. You will feel a lot of passion for somebody, friends. It is like instant love, instant connections, instant hate, instant love. Oh my god. Birth or conception of a child or an enterprise. So some of you could expect a childbirth or a pregnancy to happen in this month. Also, for some of you it could be a new job or something that you have been waiting for will happen. So that's it for now, Cancers. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Wens Tarot. Join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.